Yo! Hey, hey, hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome to another stream. Right off the bat, I want to say something. I fucking missed you guys. I don't know why I felt that way, but I missed you. Maybe it's because of Adam, because he was not there on the previous streams. But I, like, overall feel like I missed you guys. Transistor, my man. Adam, Wisemon. I don't know, guys. Like, I feel like it's been a while, but it's not really been a while. But, you know, I don't know. Just feeling. Beef Grindhouse boat here. Hey, awesome. It's good to have you here. What are the commands, by the way? How do I run you? Do you have like a help command or something? Try help here. Help. Didn't work. What the hell? How's it going, everybody? 5 people watching. Oh wow. I feel famous already. Right, so I'm gonna pour some water into my. Hope I don't fuck it up. Let me show you actually the transfer. Yeah, maybe help or help the. Yeah. Can you run the chief of the boat? Just make jokes then. Is that your own? Guys, look at. I have this. I have this. I'm gonna put this. This. Drink from this. You guys should drink from this. Yeah, we for this. I can probably drink from this, but it's quite risky. If I fuck this up, it's gonna spill all over the laptop and like my grind table, you know? Give out command. This will drip, but it's fine. Industrial water intake, beautiful PHP book behind you. What do you mean? What PHP book? What are you talking about? Like, I don't know what you're talking about, Adam. Like, that's you must be hallucinating or something. Come on, guys. You might be asking why I'm off the center, because today I want to just stay here during the stream. All right. That's a weirdly shaped bicycle. It happens, man. It's an old. There are some old Lego sets, you know. Sometimes they just mess up the shipping, so they just break during shipping, cargo. You know. Yeah, sorry. It must be your weird bright walls. Yeah. I mean, I understand you, man. Fine. Or maybe I don't know. These sets are just, don't question them, alright? Don't question them. Okay, I'm gonna move over here a bit. My god. I have my water now. This is the best quality out there, by the way. The pH levels are like 8. Very close to 8. I don't know if that's a good thing, but I'm hoping that it's a good thing. Probably it's not a good thing. It should be around 7, but we don't question that, right? We just grinding with industrial water. Guys, how's life? Tell me about it. How's everything? I'm not asking that to Transistor because he's like he doesn't have a life, so it's just a bot, you know. His life is just running on some Amazon EC2 instance, so that's no life. So how about Adam, how's everything? Personally, I drink filtered tap, but I'll leave it to hard water. The problem with the tap water here is that you cannot drink it. It's not like, you know, even though you filter it, it's bad. Like, I don't know, it's just not good water. And once I drank filtered tap water and I got sick pretty bad. And after that point, I don't drink tap water even in other countries because I don't trust that. I cannot. Like, I was in Germany and everyone just drinks tap water like it's something normal, you know. But I'm like, okay, I need to buy water now. I need to go to the sketchiest shop in the city, and then like enter there and just get like a 2 liters of water, and then yeah, I just have to. My life is good, but I am AFK right now. Cut out from my PC. What do you mean cut out? What's so no grind or what? Man, have you ever seen the inside of a water tank? No. Could we look that up? Wait. Inside of a water. Bunch of frogs, right? Oh shit, sorry, this slide mode. Oh, it happens. Alright guys, this is just a liminal space. It's not like too bad. It's just a liminal space. Like, it's good actually. Oh my god, this looks rusty. This is alright. It's alright. We're just taking a look at the water tanks. This is what theme is. I like it. I guess different countries, different standards. They're not cleaned correctly, they're nasty. Okay. Probably the stuff that I was drinking from the tap was just very nasty water. Some frogs inside probably. I don't know why I'm just... Why I think that there are like frogs in the water, but there are some frogs probably, I don't know. They encourage drinking tap actually. Yeah, in some countries they do it. That's a forced grind break, but I shall regain control soon. Forced grind, but that sounds challenging, dude. I hope you're doing fine without some... Hold on. I realize my webcam is a bit off. So I'm gonna make it there 1 second. Alright, better. You don't see the PH. That's... Cannot select my video. Alright guys, this is my webcam now. Or maybe I can just move it up there, I don't know. I haven't found the best way to arrange my bearing stuff. But anyway. Yeah, those look beautiful. City water. You know what? I'm very curious about the what do you call it? Like the tunnels for these stuff. Like they are like super interesting for me for some reason. Like the, you know, some catacombs type shit, you know. And they have some in our street, and you can actually go to the opening of it, and then if you can open it, it's just a, you know, a very heavy metal thing, and then you just lift it, and then you can go under the ground, and you can just go through the entire neighborhood under the ground, which is so cool for no reason. I just like the idea of doing that. I haven't done it because it's like quite scary. There like no cell connection, no nothing there. It's just I know that because some guys actually went under there, and then I tried to like call them and it didn't work. And if you just shout or just scream, they just, you know, you don't hear them because it's just under the ground. So I haven't done it, but I'm really curious. Maybe I should do it one day, just vlog it. Yeah, we get a ratatui and stuff. Okay. Sorry. I was just talking about ratatui, man. Gonna poison off. Liminal. Can we get a liminal space feeling from this? Water tank. Oh my god, this is good. Well, this looks AI generated though. Nah, bro, this looks not real. Oh, imagine going under that tunnel thing and just finding out it's just a pool. That would be so sick, dude. Like, you just discover a pool that no one ever uses, and like it's clean, and just go there and just you can swim there. Like, oh man, that would be so great. I don't know if I'm the only one who dreams about these things, or Just tell me if I'm the only one, because that would be weird. I think it would be nice to have like an isolated place that nobody knows, and then you just go and chill there, you know? The Minecraft type shit, you know? Like you have your own crib, and the other guys are playing on their own, and then you have this fucking underground diamond uh, house or something, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. Have you seen Uncle Chop's Rocket Shop? I'm digging that game lately. Like swimming in nuclear reactor pools. Wait. No way. No way. Dude. How does it look like? This looks very fun. This actually reminds me of some cartoons that I used to watch. Alright, let's watch the gameplay. Oh yeah, Sacred Crib. Yep. That would be awesome. Face up. I don't know how to say your name. Sorry. Do you have like a username or some real name that you want me? Iluso, by the way, I never seen you before. Welcome. I kind of forget to greet you in the beginning, but nice to have you here. How's it going, man? Tell us about your grind, by the way. That's just mandatory now. If you join the stream and if you're new, you just have to tell us about your grind. How do I say it? If your name was Turkish, I would probably say UB UBB Emir. But that if I'm guessing you're not Turkish. You know, I don't. Okay, the gameplay.
Uncle Chop's Rocket Shop is a game that will make you sweat. It applies a type of pressure I've rarely encountered in a video game. Other games will challenge your reflexes, your ability to adapt, and even your ability to think strategically. Uncle Chop's Rocket Shop, however, challenges your ability to learn, and apply that learning
Okay. It's challenging my IQ. I already lost
in various scenarios under the threat of death. You play as a cute four-eyed fox man working as a rocket ship mechanic.
No, sorry, I was not talking about you. I was talking about Piliso. You're not new, I know. You were in the recent like Bemer. I recognize you, don't worry.
Boss, Uncle Chop, charges you ever-increasing rent and will straight up murder you if you fail to pay. You have
Wait, straight up murder me? What? Did I hear that correctly?
Ever-increasing rent and will straight up murder you if you fail to pay. You have 8 minutes each day to complete as many repair jobs as you can in order to make enough money to save your life.
That sounds like real life, dude.
8 minutes is not a lot of time. Even less so when you also have to learn how to fix the problems you encounter under that same time restraint. Fear not, however, because death is not the end. Wilbur, the intrepid foxman, is also chained to a variable loop in time. Every death simply resets him back to his first day on the job. You can't escape.
Okay, that's a bit different from real life, but okay.
Escape the capitalistic grind, even in death. Uncle Chop's Rocket Shop is
just imagine that happening in real life. You're just working and then die and then you respawn. That would suck, man. Like you're finally free and then you just respawn in the same job.
Is an incredibly unique game, and
have you played the Portal games? No, I haven't.
One that presents you with a fairly simple concept.
I'm into Gary's mod stuff, and yeah, at some point I was just thinking of getting Portal and just playing it. Guys, should we play it together? How about that? I think Portal was running on Linux, right? Because Gmod is able to run on Linux. Guys, let's play it. Let's make that shit happen.
Of tinkering with various minigame-like tasks, but the depth and complexity that sits behind those
Alright, I'm bored now. Let's see.
To be diagnosed and fixed. The same repair job can have several variations, and you have to figure.
Dude, this game is too complicated for my small brain.
And still have tons to learn and discover via the factions, from running a donut shop.
But I get it. Okay. That's actually
is almost by muscle memory. Some static events are.
But I need to like learn about this probably, but nice.
but with your own.
Actually, I saw a game recently. I don't remember its name. Portal 2 is so good. I will watch you play it 100%. I can play it. You know, it's a bit hard to manage time these days because I want to do so many things. For example, I want to make music, but then like I have like one. Usually I have just 1 hour to do that whatever thing. And like if I play that, I won't be able to make music, and then if I make music, you know, it's like hard. I don't know. I'm trying to schedule. It's hard. I'm trying to wake up as early as possible to finish everything that I should be finishing, and then I hop on the grind, and then like on the live stream I can. But yeah, thanks for the suggestion. The Portal is good. I know. You'd be surprised how many games run on Linux. The native versions are bad though. Valve even has a dedicated repo for reporting potential issues. Guys, Valve is just like, I don't want to say cooperate thing. I want to say like, you know, it's like now Arch is like doing some work for them, and then they just want more stuff to be supported and stuff like that. So they're actually pretty chill when it comes to Linux support. So I just, you know, it's W. That's what I'm trying to say. Read the docs. The game might not be so appealing to us programmers. Yeah, got you. But guys, I need this pull, man. I need this, like, oh my god, this gives me this very comforting feeling for some reason. I don't know why. This gives me like a very good like isolation type feeling. I don't know. Oh, and my grind is a TypeScript developer job, backend oriented. I want to learn a new language, but I think Rust might be a little too much. Okay, so you're grinding TypeScript. Oh. Learn Rust, 100%. Like, learn Rust. I would suggest if you're doing like web stuff, maybe take a look at some frameworks. This one is really good. I don't know if it's like even about your job or like even about your grind, but it recently like updated this package, so just wanted to mention this one. Dioxys is good. Tauri is good for web stuff. If you wanna build some stuff with Tauri, oh wait, my god, we can collab, dude. I have so many questions about actually web stuff. Like, yeah, okay. Next streams I'm gonna probably do next week or something. The webatui stuff. So like ratatui and like web stuff. So, dude, you can really help me. Okay, learn C, learn Rust, master Rust, leave everything else. Did you see the meme that I posted today? I spent like 10 seconds making that meme and just got like 160 likes and like 5k views, and it's like I spent like exactly fucking 10 seconds on this, so it's just summarizes everything. And I want to actually like make more memes like this, just not like creative type stuff, but like straight up like Rust evangelism. So yeah, you can actually take a look now. Flip, or what was the name? Image flip. I wish I had a channel now. I'm just a lurker. Channel? What do you mean? Like a YouTube channel or channel? Well, I don't use the bird platform. I know you use the butterfly platform. Okay, guys, we're just making memes now. Let's see. Top user templates. This is the meme making stream. I put the code in the title to clickbait some people who might want to watch me code something, but not now. I'm still a bit chilly mode, so I'm gonna take my time on that. But I have some ideas. CLI. Rust might be the way. You might have that decided my future. yeah, if you start, you cannot stop. You'll get addicted to it. I think to understand some of what Rust does in abstracts is good to know a little C. Yeah, I mean, for the memory stuff, I think it's definitely useful. But yeah, I would argue that you don't need to write a lot of C, or like you don't have to like have like C experience, so to speak, to understand the Rust stuff. You just need to know the basics, you know. And I think, you know, like TypeScript or like any like language like that, you probably know just a bit about the concept, so it should be fine, dude. You know, we have a history in school to understand the present. Yeah. Why does YouTube remove my stuff, man? I don't know. What did you send? It's quite annoying, I know. Guys, we need to make memes. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. No, you definitely don't have to write projects in. Yeah, just don't do that. Zig. Me, learn C++, leave C++, learn Rust, learn Zig, learn OCaml, realize how lost you are in the of the universe. You know, one thing that you didn't do yet is to learn Holy C. And I had a stream the other day about that. Just it's great, man. It's like revolutionary language. You gotta learn Holy C. For real, you gotta try Portal 2. The puzzles are very satisfying. Okay. Wait a second. I'll put it on my list. Put it on my list. Portal 2. Portal 2. Got it. Now. I agree, but I don't think you can fully understand ownership and stuff without experiencing it. I think I agree with that. No reading at all in Portal 2 except subtitles. That's awesome. Caption this meme. What are we burying now? What is so the golden rule when it comes to making Rust memes is to put Rust somewhere. No, not there. Or I don't know. Where do we put Rust here? Alright. Rust. I don't know. I don't think this meme is not that fitting for language wars. I could put like C++ there, but that's just too obvious, so do that. Rust everywhere. Just Rust is just burying Rust. Okay. Chill guy. Chill guy. Come on, let's hop on the chill guy meme. The meme jam Vindicator on the CatGit platform. CatGit or GitHub. The meme gen, just say like meme gen GitHub. An API. Alright, meme gen link. Oh, it's just like you send a request and then something like that. Python though. No twee? No twee? Not this one, but okay, not this one. How many meme gens are there? 3 billion developers try to learn Rust. That's like, okay. Is that a reference to Java? 3 billion Java thing. That. Okay, this will take some time. I need to replace the Java text with the Rust and the like logo with the Rust and okay, this takes time. Do we have a template for that? And you have to remember that to be memory safe and all the time, but you just I was thinking completely for we have a template for this, probably not. What is this? Oh, by the way, I'm very famous on programmer humor now, because I got like How many upvotes? I don't know. I don't remember. The last time I checked was 10 minutes ago. Just kidding. But I have like closely. Why is it taking forever to load? I must be on top actually, but come on. Come on, I must be here. Must be okay, it's not. Anyways, guys, not making memes now, we're just gonna write code. Sorry to disappoint you, but this is life, you just gotta grind. Not loading. Anyways, if you go to Programmer Humor, you'll see me there. I have, the last time I checked, I have like 1.5k uploads, but anyways, I couldn't show you the meme. Quite disappointing. You like chess? I would say not my thing that much. I don't like it that much. What you? I like Go though, like not the programming language, the board game. That one is cool. And the, what was the other one? I have a bunch of board games. I don't know their names though. I have a board game where you just have to like, you have like little balls and like your opponent have some balls as well. You have this table thing and you have to push your opponent outside and then yeah, stuff like that. I have some games at home. On again, off again with chest in. Do you like play it for fun or like competitions type? It's always fun to watch the. Definitely not a pro. So I don't have anything to offer you there. You probably know your stuff there. I have no idea. It's been a while actually. The last time I played chess was at high school or something. Yeah, it's been a long time. I just took up playing a day ago or so. But more a watcher. Watching is fun, and also like watching people analyze chess players is I think more fun because they just explain what they're trying to like do. And you're like, oh, okay, this guy's trying to do that, and then like, they actually do that, and then like, fun. Guys, only thing that I am like missing right now. Actually, if I learn how to like play chess properly and like, professionally, I can just become Andrew Tate. I'm already bald. I am like. I don't have a Lambo yet, or like a... Fuck, okay. I have lots of stuff to do before I can do that. But... we'll get there, slowly. I'm not trying to scam you, don't worry. But if you go to my GitHub sponsors page, that's a... Alright, I wanna do some Twi stuff now. That's the drill today. Because like... That's my life now. Which is like a Carlson by Black. I have no idea what. Sounds cool. So I have this tweet now. Actually, is Adam here now? I know that he is building a tweet. Maybe I can review his PR in the. Oh. I think I heard of this guy before. Google real quick. Okay, look. Grandmaster. Guy's just a chess OG, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do with his height, but thanks for the info. I'm actually... yeah. I'm here, but don't review NVRS Twi yet. Okay guys, we are reviewing MVRS Twi now. Sure. widely considered the best in the world. That's impressive. When should we review NVRS2? I wanna do that one day. By the way, my cursor seems glitchy, but that's actually yeah, this is my cursor now, but it's supposed to be like a animation or something. But now, since I'm running a bunch of stuff in Novum, it feels glitchy. But I have this fancy cursor now, which looks awesome, I think. No, just yeah, fun stuff. I have a lot of unpushed commits there. I don't know why I watch the PR, but I get like very random notifications during the day. Yeah, like just push something and I just gotta like fix something. But yeah, if it feels like quite work in progress, so sure, I can wait. If you have a project that I can review now, just send it. Not as a link though, like as the username and the name of the read. I can take a look. I should do one of those like project review streams soon. That was quite fun. And I felt like I helped some people actually do things. That was good, I think. So, yeah. And if you're asking what I'm doing right now, like, yeah, I have this TUI and I changed a lot of things in there. You know, in my first live stream, I was working on this, and now I'm still working on this. It's been a long time, but this thing went through a lot of different stuff, different like rewrites and things like that, because I'm always like having a better idea and I want to implement that, and then I have to like change the whole thing, like remove a bunch of code. If you remember it, I was able to click, like select stuff with the mouse, but now I just removed that because I was like, okay, nobody uses mouse, so the point, and I just switched to using the built-in list in TUI. So yeah, I removed that, deleted my own code which I wrote using my own brain. That hurt. Bro, I'm in a team project in school right now where I have to do mostly Python and also help the others with their Python code. Just the fact that you're using try-catch statements and you don't know for is so painful. Dude, at least it's not Java. So I was doing Java back in school, and I was also doing that work too. Like people were working on certain projects. They're like you know, team projects, and you have to be that group, and then you have to write some Java code. You don't have any choice. So at least it's Python, man. But I feel your pain. And I hate how people overuse Python. Why do they use Python for everything? Just why it's bad. Easy. It's just the pseudocode language. It's like not performant but easy to learn, and just, but easy doesn't mean good in my book. So yeah, like I miss option and results so much. When you get used to Rust once, there's like you'll just miss that in every language, I think, until something better comes. Python error handling is so bad. At least Java is statically typed. Like my team members don't declare return types. Wow, that's like that's a problem, especially in a team project. You know, like if that was your own project, you can just follow your own guidelines, and like you can have some like code style and clean code type of shit. But when you're working with people in in a language like Python. That's the problem. Best rant I have heard about Python, pseudocode language. It is, bro. What am I gonna do? In my opinion, Python shouldn't be someone's first language in school. I agree with that actually, because if you learn Python first and then you go to another language, let's say like C++, that will be freaking hard to learn, dude, because you just get used to everything. Like you don't even think about memory or like the references, like anything, or like performance while writing Python. And then if you go to some other language which you need to consider memory and like other stuff, you're fucked, man. It's gonna take some time to adapt to those concepts. You just gotta relearn everything in your head. It takes time. That's my take though. If you think learning Python and then learning something else, okay, then that's fine. But you know, I don't like it that much. A true in rough, which is a Python interpreter in Rust. Yeah, I agree, it's a very good basic presence, but you cannot stop there. I gotta admit, Python was my preferred language, but I was like 10 years old, maybe younger, than different situation. Yeah, it's based on the situation a lot, but I was mostly talking about like the college students and people like that, you know. Just if you learn Python first and then you just stick to it for a while, you're just gonna stick to it after that too, because you just learn that and it's fine, it's getting the job done, but you don't see the other possibilities around you, so you gotta be open to them a bit. And if you're in a like a closed environment where everyone is learning Python, that's quite hard. You gotta just see the other options out there if you're in that situation. And yeah, it's usually not the case when you're just starting out. Take some time to actually understand the culture of how things work, and then like, but if you know open source and stuff, that's totally fine, I think. If for example you're in a specifically programming class and they show you that's Python, that's programming. Yeah. People learn it and then they don't see the point in learning something better, because why not just do it in Python? Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to say, but I said it in 10 words instead of 2, so got my point. Okay, so actually I'm not gonna, if you're curious about what I'm doing, just ask. You're just curious about something, because I feel like walking through everything here would be a lot of talking. There's a lot more to programming than Python. But guys, I have a confession to make, and I'm not really proud of this, but I have some Python projects. Which are open source, and I was not writing Rust back then. The code quality probably shit. Should I expose them or what? Do you guys want to see my badly written Python projects, or you want to see this piece of Rust code? Let me know if you're interested in that. I don't want to embarrass myself too much. I got an issue from someone I worked with on the grind guidelines. The name guidelines is cringe max, producing the grind sets full of guidelines. Yeah, we can change that probably. Trying to use Python if you know how to use it. Show us your sins. Right, that's the thing that I was waiting. Okay. First of all, I have this project. Oh my god, this is a public archive, of course, why not? It's an obfuscator for Python, it's also a packer. So it's dead now. It's quite dead, but yeah, like you can see that it's like 6 years ago, like 5 years ago. But it was actually working fine. if I remember correctly. You just run this on some Python code and you get like obfuscated Python. I don't know why you would need that, but that worked fine, you know, back in time. But you're also into obfuscation, yeah. Yeah, we did that. I don't know. Like I had some friends and like we were just trying to find some cool project to work on. Now I have this thing, Dusty now, but yeah. We have one project in Python that I have to actively maintain. It's proprietary. It breaks down. Oh man, that sounds like a pain. Yeah, we have some cool stuff in there actually. We have the token. Oh my, this code is bad. Anyways, don't look at it. Yeah, we have this one. And I also have this one. This has its own organization. And some guy was actually rewriting this in another language correctly. And yeah, this is more like a security type project. Like it's like a framework for operating systems, and the name is just great, dude. I came up with this, but I'm just gonna say it. I'm very proud. Graphene is the most, like, I don't know, one of the like the most not secure, but like the robust things out there, and the Graphene X is just the name, like the X. Why not? So yeah, this is like a bit like bigger in terms of open source project, and we have like almost 1k stars, so that's good. That's actually a flex, but the code and like the other stuff is not the best quality, but it works. So yeah, that's another Python project that I had back in the day, and we have actually a website too. Bam. And yeah, you can see the 2019, so it's old. So those are my sins, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my sins. But obfuscation is a big part of it. And oh, that's nice. Fucking hell. English. Surreptitious. Okay, surreptitious, good. Learned a new word, thank you. Everything is open source if you can read assembly. Dude, everything is open source if you can read 0 and 1s, right? So, easy. But I must say I was not really enjoying Python that much back in the day as well. It was just like the common choice, because everyone, like I told you, I was working on this project with some people, right? My friends, and they were just into Python, so Python, because everyone knows Python, so fine. But yeah, and I didn't know anything about Rust back then. Like I didn't know anything about it. I started in 2019, so this is before that, like 2018 or something. So yeah, dark times, dude. Need to define a new generate. Actually, they're like no file watch. Don't watch for file change. I feel like if you're already programming and you learn Rust, it's possible to go back to anything else. I'm the living proof of that. Dude, I cannot. It's hard. Like addiction, and I think it's the same for most of the people. especially if you're doing like systems programming and like tooling and stuff like that, or like even just libraries, the experience is just too smooth to, you don't really have to else after that. The problem is, or not the problem, but when you switch to something else, at least when you try to have the same things in that language, and usually that's not the case, and you're like disappointed because of that. But actually, that was not that language did not even promise any of that to you. You just like expect to have those things because you were writing Rust before. It's hard. That was the case for while learning Zig. I wanted to generate a docs website, and Zig had something about that, and it was not like working quite well, and then I don't know what happened with that. I had to just hack something together to get that working, and I didn't have to. I just wanted to have that because I was writing Rust and wanted to have the same functionality. First looked at Rust in 2021, 2022. Every project I've started since then is Rust, or at least has some Rust in it. Man, Rust, FMTM, and Clippy my blood. Yeah, for me, I think Cargo is like the package manager itself is so good that you just like miss that, switch to something new. You just miss the feeling of that, like the error messages and everything. I don't want to sound too much of like a Rust fanboy, but I already did, I guess. So there you go, Rust fanboy. God damn it. What is this thing doing here? This code is bad, bro. I don't like it that much. Oh, I see. Okay, I sometimes just forget what I was doing. So now the good thing about this TUI is that you run it, and at start it just like, let me run. Just fetches all the remote data first, and then you just preview different formats. So now it fetches all the data, and reason why I have this, they want people to preview different configs, see how the changelog looks like, instead of running the TUI, generating the changelog every time you press something. So now the changelog is already generated, and what I do is just render it when you select a different config, and sometimes it's just, I'm trying to fix that. So yeah, the problem is it takes a bit of time to render that, I think, especially in debug mode. So I want to send an event for like, I want to have like multi-threading here, so when you select a new item, but I actually don't want to. Wait, I don't want to like run a thread every time I press a key. That's bad. Yeah. Wait, why did it crash just now? Probably just want to have like a single thread, like single thread that I can manage, and then run that when I select a config, and then if I select another one, kill that thread, like end it, and then start another thread, get the handle, and when that thread finishes processing, just send back the contents with a channel, and then get the contents, render it, and do the same, get another event. So I just want to do that actually. So yeah, yeah. Really, probably won't do that in the stream though. Just messing around. Just trying to like get my thoughts together, because it's been a while since I last worked on this, and I want like understand what I need to do. So kind of like debugging with you guys. But yeah. Stuff. I don't like the UI that much, if I'm being honest. Select config to start. I don't really need to do. Now when you open it, it should automatically that. So set the default ThinkPad key repeat speed by, or did you tweak it? I tweaked it on my X11 config. So yeah, it's faster, and I also like recommend that too, because it's better now. You can just go like when I press J, it's just very fast. Sometimes I just press J instead of Control D or something. Like if I want to go there, just press J. But I can also do like 10J or something, or like 14K, you know, going up. Added 2 on mine. I am speed now. What are your values? I can try it out. Tell me the values of. No generating now, so generating. It is actually, or no. Okay. Render markdown. You know, one thing that I should do is I shouldn't use MD2E. That I should 250 delay and 60 repeat. What is mine actually? 11. I have like 180 and 80. And which one is which, I don't know. I guess, yeah, like yours is probably this though. So it's like this, okay. You know what I want? I want to actually like make it less. So 180 and 60. Okay, gotcha. You know, sometimes I just make this thing, like I tweak it every now and then. Like every couple of months I just go there and just reduce it even more. Because more speed, better. Because after some time this feels slow, you know? So yeah. I am faster. Hell yeah. So happy. Okay, what was the name of the crate that Josh was painting? TWE Markdown. I need to use TWE Markdown instead of... I'm just gonna remove that actually. And when I remove that, this thing will just complain left and right. I was hacked. Somebody hacking my network. You're glitching so hard right now. I'm back. I should be back now. Yeah, sometimes it happens. I don't know why it happens. Every stream I just get disconnected for 10 seconds, like, or... And it happens just once, for some reason. I have no idea why it happens. Probably glitching again because of Rust Analyzer again. And this error right here, server canceled the request. They haven't fixed it. It's because Rust Analyzer sends some like event or something, and Neovim is not catching it, and then it just spams these like warnings. So I don't know when they will fix that. The solution to that is just downgrading Rust Analyzer. Maybe I'm wrong though. Maybe I didn't look that much. But if that's just what I remember, at least for now. So yeah, kind of bad, but anyway. That. Markdown component. Mark. Why do I need to track the factor that? I used COC, Rust Analyzer, everything. You know, it was broken for some time, but this is the difference between that and the other one. Can I ask a stupid question? What is COC? This is not what you mean, right? Node.js extension host for Vim, NeoVim? What? Node, okay. You lost me when you said Node.js. Make your Vim, NeoVim smart as VS Code. VS Code smart though. I don't know. I never used it to its full extent, probably. I have no idea. But this will actually take some time to refactor, and I don't wanna like spend time on this on the stream, so ditch this idea. Like an extension manager instead of extension manager. Sounds like some stuff going on there. Can you update your other extension inside the extension manager? Extension. I want to make music. Gonna make music, guys. Gonna make some bangers. The other day, somebody emailed me and asked how I got FL Studio running, and I was like, dude, I just pirated the setup executable and run it at Wine. So and just sent him the pirated executable. I hope FL Studio won't come after me because I just distribute pirated software now. But don't tell this to anyone, okay? Between. Alright, guys, time to make some bangers. Enough about that tech shit. We're just gonna make bangers now. This is what I did in the last stream, and I was like, for 2 days, I was thinking, what is missing there? I think I know what's missing. Oh my god, my my voice is leaving my body. Image line is pretty hard on piracy. Some people fix, so I was like, they don't like pirated software for real. I feel like something is still missing. This doesn't hype me up at all. I don't know what's wrong with this track. Yeah. This one was good actually, if I remember correctly. This one was dark, dude. Why isn't your FL still Riced? You know, you can do custom themes out. Yeah. I don't know, I didn't spend time on it yet. You know, I feel like just like too repeating. But I don't know the like notes to this, so I don't know. Like a company. And I just realized I don't have the other headphone, which, oh my god. It's annoying. Annoying. Let's start. Well, I want to. How do I do that? Go extract. Learning new. This is the sample. I just found this thing from some kit.
Hey guys, this is
Waiting for the next album. It's on the way. Just wait for 3 years and
Max from FL Studio Tips, and today I will show you how
to click that little icon. Top left. Top left of which?
to extract any time base, let's say to the highest amount. The CPU usage will be very high now, but we'll be able to zoom in a lot. So hit Shift E, play.
Your stream 8 is 2. I can't hear you sometimes. Yeah, might be. Not this top level. Tweak this thing. I'll switch to a new microphone. Yeah, this might be better maybe. Yeah, just if it's worse, just let me know. Auto extraction. I have never done that. I don't know. Actually, I'm just gonna start over, man. Empty. Let's start over empty now. Okay, the waits. I like this. This is how I start a new song. Just start with the 808. I don't care. One second. Something is wrong with my audio now. Trying to fix it. Okay, it's better now. The worst thing ever. This is what am I doing? Okay, let's start with something else. Just like a catchy. I wanna make something catchy. And fast. Get a sample, click the tidal wave icon top left on the track and there's a extract. Okay, let's try it on the other thing. I didn't do anything on this one anyways. Click the little little wave icon in the top left on the track. Oh, okay, I think I got okay, this one. Not here. What? Where? Where then? I don't get it. Just send me like the link, or just, well, you cannot really send links. Somehow just send me link on the track. Oh, here? You mean? Here? I feel very stupid trying to understand what's going on. Send me a link, dude. It's hard to figure out. Send me a link and I'll try later. Not sure if it's gonna work because I just selected like a random sample. I'm not sure if it's like extractable at all. There are like no notes on this. What? What was the first one that I used? Wait. This is not a bass. Those should be just kicks, probably. You're probably saying, what the fuck am I doing right now? Dude, this is gonna end up really bad. But I'm not really. I don't care. We're just gonna make Necros Trap now. And just send me on Discord. There you go. I'm making the worst track ever now. Do you guys like this? Probably not. Yeah, if I set that to 0, I don't like how it sounds. Pitch ain't working. But if then I need to probably just take this thing. Okay. Add the effect gross speed on. Okay, gross speed. Let's try the gross speed. Oh my god, what's going on? Yeah, it's gonna just go to the thing happens with FL Studio on Linux. Stop going to the fucking 9. It's 20. Alright, we're back now. I can't even talk. Alright, the gross speed on this. Alright, let's try it. It's gonna sound so glitchy, right? It's gonna sound so glitchy now. You know what I like? I like to play around with gross speed when I'm done with the whole loop. I just apply the gross speed on the whole thing, and then it's more fun, I think. Right now we only have bass, so it doesn't really do it too much. But now, look at this. So what I do is you put this on the 5, right, and then you have this stereo shaper thing. Get the stereo shaper, you put the delay on this, and then you kind of like play around. And then to make it like even weirder, you just gotta put the note pan on these little notes, and then it will just gonna be very weird, like just a random panning, you know. And you just add the fourth kick to it, and then, dude, I don't know why I have these things. Like, I don't know why I remember doing this. And then you just put the like the most classic snare, because why not? You just put the snare on every track, dude. Just good. And then you can also decide it. Yes, I was just about to say that I was going to do the side chain. I think it was like this. So you just have that plus 6, and then you have like the limiter thing. I actually have like a, oh shit, what did I do? Anyways, I have a like a side chain preset, I think. Where is it? Sound packs. Presets. Okay. 808 preset. This one. Just side chain. Don't use the scroll thing on the bind mixer, select the track and. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. That's cool. But I don't know where we're going with this actually. I was like kind of freestyling this. There you have the best. Four and five. Okay, 4. I don't want the limit shaper on that. I just want it on the 5th one, and then gonna turn this up a little bit. Okay. this thing. Sounds so cool. Okay, what else do we add here? Not another 808, please. Not any of these, I think. Why not another snare, dude? The breath thing might be a bit offset, you can check. Okay, yeah. Even like this. Yeah, Vim mode in FL would be so sick, I think. Okay, so now we have the drums and everything, but I don't have a melody. The fuck am I gonna do now? Okay, the easiest way is just done. Done. You have the melody now. That didn't work. It doesn't even sound like it's fitting the drums. Without the drums, like without the bass, it sounds good. But with the bass, it sounds bad. I don't know. I'm not good at composing melodies together with the bass. I think. Or maybe it's just off key or something. I don't know. Yeah. Which key is the... Okay. Just add that thing on the master, I don't care. Actually, limit the master, cause why not? Limit it. Where's the limiter? Where's the limiter? I cannot see it. Limiter. Control B in arrangement with something selected. What does it do? Control B. Yeah, okay. I'm just a noob, man. These tricks are good. Just do something. I don't know. Hell yeah, man. Just random ass effects. Just put some random shit in there. I don't know. If there's a better way of doing this, just tell me. I don't know any better way of doing that. Right click on the tempo at the top and select half speed and see how it. Yeah, I have actually another idea. Wait. Okay, how to. Wait, can I automate this actually? I don't know. I need to go now, but I'm gonna go for 5 minutes. Anyways, doesn't really matter. That's not important right now. I want to do something, but not a big deal. Okay, anyways, that was okay. Stream 3, I guess. I'm gonna go now, guys. I don't know if it was a productive session, but I had some fun. And I might come back to this later, because like there are a lot of things to do in there. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see about that. But just want to chill a bit. So yeah. Any last questions? Oops, sorry, that was quite loud. Okay. Adam, thanks for tuning in. And if you want to export the version, send me. I can clean it up. But yeah, can send it to you. I will send you a zip for sure. After the stream though, because I need to turn on my VPN, which will make me disconnect, and then like, oh yeah, you know, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, thanks for tuning in, I guess. Just a random stream. Just want to chill a bit, vibing, you know. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. Keep grinding, okay? I will be around. Join the Discord. Little plug. Coming in a second. Alright, we got the plug now. Join Discord and I'll catch up with you later, alright? Take care, everybody. I'm out. Good night, good day based on your time zone, and take care. Ciao.